This is one of the easiest ways to find what shoppers are actively searching for on Etsy. So we'll go to Etsy, and in the search bar, here we will see what's popular right now. We have beach house sign, patriotic table runner, personalized beach towels, summer wreaths for front door, and custom star map. So this is the first way to gain some inspiration on what you can design for that's currently popular on Etsy. The next thing that we will do is in the search bar, we will run the ABCs. So in the search bar, we will go through the entire alphabet, typing in each letter. So we'll start with A, and it will auto-populate with some really great ideas that customers are currently searching for on Etsy. So we have Alaska cruise shirts, Alaska family shirts, and art prints. Next, we will do B, bridal party shirts, bridesmaids gifts, bridesmaid shirts, bachelorette shirts, birthday cruise shirts. C, we have more cruise shirts family, cruise family shirts, cruise shirts 2026, and not will this only give us great inspiration for new niches that we can target, but this will also give us great keywords that we can add to our title as well as to our tags. We'll now do D. So right now it's populating with Disneyland shirts. Something I do want to mention, be very cautious on what type of designs you're creating in your store. It is not worth risking getting your shop closed down by infringing on trademark and copyrights. I always recommend checking trademarks by going to USPTO.gov and making sure what you're designing is 100% safe, because there's so many different things you can design for that will not get your shop flagged. So next we'll go to E. We have engagement gifts, engraved dog tag, and earrings for women. And then F, we have family cruise shirts, family cruise 2026 shirts, family cruise t-shirts. Something to note here, we've seen a lot of keywords for family themed t-shirts, specifically around the cruise niche. So that's a great idea that this is something that you could design for, especially in the summertime when a lot of families are going on vacations on cruises. As I go through the alphabet, plugging in each letter and looking for new keywords, I will also be clicking through on these ideas to see what type of products as well as what type of designs are being created. So let's go ahead and click on family cruise shirts, and here we will see a lot of great ideas. So a lot of these are going to be customizable, which is a great way to win on Etsy. Especially now with Printify and the new feature that they have with personalization, it makes it so much easier to now offer in your store. So you'll see a lot of these cruise themed shirts. They're very simple text-based designs, but the customer is able to add their family name. So Johnson Family 2026. Another one that you'll see popular is destinations. So depending on where the cruise is going, out of the Caribbean, the Mediterranean, they can fully customize it to exactly what they want it to say. So like this one here, Cruising Together 2026, the Smith's Western Caribbean. I will continue to run through the ABCs until I get all the way through the alphabet, and as I do this, I'll be making note of the new niches and the new keywords that I'm finding. So I highly recommend having a pen and paper or a doc on your computer where you can easily keep track of the ideas that you come up with so that you can reference it later when you start designing. And I do want to mention, this search bar is always updating. So 5 minutes from now, I can run through the ABCs again and gain more inspiration. That's why it's so important to keep notes so that you can reference those ideas later on. Now that I've showed you how to easily come up with new design ideas and new niches that you can target in your own store, we now need to learn how we can confirm if something is actually selling. And there's a few different ways we can do this. The first way is by using a plugin like EverBee, which I talk a lot about on my channel. EverBee just speeds up the process so that you can quickly spot trends without doing all the manual labor. And I'll show you what I mean. So how this works, when you're on Etsy and you search a specific keyword, or you found a specific keyword doing the ABCs like I just showed you, as you go through the listing pages, you'll see here at the bottom, it will tell you the monthly sales, the views, conversion rate, and listing age. So for example, we see this one has 63 monthly sales, 3,400 views, conversion rate's really good, and it's only 3 months old. This one here, 119 monthly sales, 18,000 views, 3% conversion rate, and 11 months old. So you can see how you can quickly spot trends to see what ones are actually doing well on Etsy. And another thing you can do with this tool that's very handy is here you can select the little plugin, and it will show you again a breakdown of everything. So your sales, total revenue, so $788 in monthly revenue, total sales $329. This one here's monthly revenue is around $1,600. And again, this is only 3 months old, so within 3 months, they're generating around $1,600 in revenue from selling these family themed cruise shirts. Another great way that you can use this tool is you can now sort by either bestseller or popular now in search results. A bestseller badge is an indicator that it has a high sales volume over the past 6 months. So if I select bestseller, it will curate my results so that I only see the bestseller listings on Etsy for this specific niche. And for me personally, I like to look for listings that have a popular now badge rather than a bestseller badge, because it shows that it's currently trending upwards to a bestseller and it's not going to be fully saturated. Now let me show you a completely free way to confirm if a product is currently selling. And this is how we've done it for several years, especially in the beginning stages until we started using a tool to speed up the process. What you'll do is you'll click in on one of those keywords after doing the ABCs, and then you will be looking for any listings that have a Popular Now badge or a bestseller badge. So this one right here, it has the Popular Now badge. I'll click through onto this listing. The next thing that you want to look for is here at the top of the title, it will say in demand, X amount of people bought this in the last 24 hours. So for this specific listing, 43 people bought this item in the last 24 hours. The next thing that you'll do is scroll down to the reviews for this item. And then here where it says suggested, we will sort this by most recent. And the reason why we do this is because if it has several recent reviews, it's an indicator that it is selling well. So the average review rate is 20 to 25%. The most common benchmark across handmade, physical, and custom items is 1 review equals 4 to 5 sales. So you can keep that in mind when you're looking at how many reviews a specific listing has. So for this one right here, we have it sorted by most recent. From the day that I'm filming this on June 17th, it has a review here on the 17th, the 13th, the 10th, the 9th, the 5th, the 5th. So it has several recent reviews. And yes, there will be listings that have even more recent reviews than this one here. But right now, I can confirm that this listing is probably doing pretty well on Etsy. The next thing that we will do to confirm if an item is selling or not is we'll scroll to the bottom of the page, and right here we will see a listed on date. Anytime a listing sells, it renews. So this shows that this item sold yesterday on June 16th of 2026. The next thing is how many favorites it has. So if it has a large amount of favorites, it's an indicator that it's popular and in demand. And this one here has 1,400 favorites. That's a completely free and proven way to confirm if an item is selling on Etsy. And then once you've confirmed that an item is popular and selling, the next thing that you'll do is analyze it and figure out what it is that they're doing to have so much success. And let me be very clear here, you do not go and copy this exact listing. If you're going to copy listings, you're going to get lost in the sea of sellers and you'll have a very difficult time finding success on Etsy. So please respect other sellers, do not copy them, just gain inspiration from them by studying what type of products they're offering it on, what type of design layout they have, what type of font styles, what elements are they using, color schemes, etc. And then go and create your own unique version. And again, this is not a complicated design. It's a very simple text-based design with a simple graphic of a cruise ship, but it is customizable where they can personalize their own funny phrase. I talk a lot about this on my channel, how valuable it is to have group theme shirts in your store because it increases the sale count as well as the revenue. So if you're not offering group theme shirts in your store right now, I highly recommend doing it, especially during the summer months because there's so many families going on vacations. And I am curious just to see how this is doing. So I'll analyze the listing with my EverBee plugin. 428 monthly sales. Monthly revenue is close to $5,000. Total sales is 3,600, and this listing age is 19 months old. And just to note, this listing is 19 months old, but as we saw at the bottom of the page, this listing did sell on June 16th. Okay, so we continue to go through the ABCs. So we ended on F, we have G, just to give you an idea, graduation gifts, graduation cruise shirts, gifts for her, H, hot dog shirts, Halloween shirts, handmade gift, I, initial necklace, and you can do this on Printify as well, doing personalized jewelry. So you get the idea as you go through the ABCs on Etsy, you really can come up with some new ideas that you would have never thought of. And the search results is going to always be changing and updating, so you can do this throughout the day, coming up with new inspiration. Last night when I was preparing for this video, I found a lot of great new keywords and new niches that I can design for that aren't currently showing. So I recommend periodically throughout the day doing this because you'll always be able to generate new ideas and find new niches that you would have never thought of. And to take this a step even further, to gain even more ideas, you can add more than one letter. So we'll do A again. So we have A, then I'll add B. And now we have abstract wall art, abstract painting, abstract art print. Let's do D. So we have adoption day and adoption gifts, and this is a niche I would have never thought designing for. So this really is a goldmine for ideas, and I can't recommend it enough. Next, we need to figure out what products we're going to put our new designs on. So for me, we use Printify to fulfill all of our orders. They've been a great company to work with, and they do all of the printing and shipping for me. So the only thing that I have to do is create the designs and then list them on whatever marketplace it is that I'm selling on. So we will jump over to Printify here, and I'll recommend some great product options that I recommend selling in your own store. So on Printify, we can go to catalog here, and there's two different things you can do. The first thing that I recommend is selecting new arrivals. This allows you to see new products that Printify has recently added to their store. They're constantly adding new products, and it's a great way to offer products in your store that may not be as saturated on Etsy yet. And here you will see the potential of print on demand. So we can create designs for long sleeve t-shirts, for a vegan leather journal, round cutting board, a graduation stole, patches. There's a lot of great options to choose from, like washable rugs, shot glasses, water bottles, hats, etc. And here they're constantly adding new products, so it's a great way to jump on products before anyone else does. This is one that I noticed today that I thought was really cool, the sun washed rope hat, and hats do very well on Etsy. The next thing you can do is go back to catalog and then sort by bestsellers. And the reason why I like to look at bestsellers is because there's proof that they actually sell. Some of the main products that I personally like to sell in my own stores is the Comfort Colors 1717, the Bella Canvas 3001, the Gildan 18000 crew neck sweatshirt, as well as the Gildan 18500. These are all excellent products at a decent price point that do well on Etsy. But I do want to be clear, don't limit yourself to just one product, because with print on demand and using a company like Printify, your options are endless on what you can sell. And you can see here some more of these bestseller products. We have socks, woven blankets, mugs, can coolers, phone cases, tank tops, desk mats, etc. Because you watched this video, I think you will like this one. In it, I share what the top sellers are doing to have so much success. Click right here and I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching.